Hey everybody, Twin Diggers, Pat here, the better half. Wanted to give you an update on our weather situation in Minnesota. So within the last 48 hours, we've had a massive snowstorm and we had over 2 feet of snow. This is my little baby Rosie, my neighbor's dog that I take out for a walk. Did you have a nice walk today, Rosie? You do such a good girl. Yeah, do such a good girl. Good girl. All right. So, it's been crazy. And not only with the amount of snow we've had, literally 24 hours of snowing, raining, sleet, heavy snow, light snow, you name it. And now, after we got the driveways plowed out, as you can tell that I live in a townhome association. And our next hassle is ice dams. So our next goal is to get all this snow pulled off the roof and get it away from the edges. It's all ice up there now because we've been in the 30s. Which is compacting everything with the rain we had also. So there is a lot of weight on the rooftops right now. So, yes, we're thinking spring and totally loving watching all of the videos that are being put out so far to keep us all pumped up. So I wanted to give you a little clip of Minnesota weather. So anyway, thanks everyone. Take care. And if you're up in the Midwest, be safe.